Hello, my name is Dale Roberts, and I am the instructor for the Machining Technology program. As you can see, the NCTC Machining Technology program is well equipped with state-of-the-art computerized numerical controlled turning and machining centers. This enables us to train the next generation of computer-savvy machinists to join the workforce and allows them to integrate into the manufacturing environment with a high level of skill sets acquired through our program.
In high school, my sophomore year, they had a class where you would go around and take welding, machining, and HVAC, and it was like 3 months each one. And I don't know, I just picked machining. I found it to be the best. I liked it the most. We made medallions, so we took like pictures off of Google and then put it onto a medallion and then engraved it onto there. I think it's cool to see like your creations be made into a solid object. Yes, I would definitely recommend it.